Want to trade the Indian stock market without risking a single rupee? Head to niftypapertrade.in and start trading free. Welcome to your dashboard. Live NSE prices, your portfolio value, today's P&L, market breadth, top movers, and a sector heat map. All updated every second. Open the terminal and search any stock or index. Mark your swing high, your swing low, and we draw the Fibonacci zone for you. The high probability buy zone, the 0.618 retracement. Slide into the option chain, every strike, every bid, ask and OI. Toggle Greeks on for Delta and IV. Spot your strike and hit buy. Nifty trades in lots of 65. Tap buy, order placed instantly. Need to sell? Switch to sell. Margins full. Now enable Hedge. An automatic protective leg drops your margin by 72%. Same trade, way less capital. Track every open position live. Set stop loss, target, or auto exit time. Today's closed trades stay visible, faded, so you never lose track of your day. Build pre-made multi-leg strategies, bull call spreads, long straddles, iron condors with one click. Pick the iron condor. 4 legs auto-built. See your max profit, max loss, and break-even range upfront. Place the order. Done. Compete with traders across India on the live leaderboard. Top up your virtual cash anytime. 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, or 25 lakhs. Pay once, practice forever. Start trading at niftypapertrade.in.